After a long wait, Apple has finally added the T9 dialing support to the iPhone with the introduction of iOS 18. As a result, you can now quickly find and call contacts using the number pad. For those unfamiliar, T9 is the short form of text on 9 keys. It's basically a predictive text technology that maps letters to number keys. What makes it so cool is the ability to let you type a contact's name using the number pad, with matching contacts showing right above the keypad. That said, let's learn how to use the T9 dialing in the phone app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. So to get us started, you have to launch the phone app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. And then you have to tap on the keypad button at the bottom. And then you have to type the contact's name using the number keys. For example, for Dad, you can press 323. Now, right above the keypad, tap the matching contact to call or tap on X More option to view additional matches, and that's pretty much it. This feature is basically designed to speed up the calling process, especially for folks who prefer the number pad or have difficulty navigating contacts list. From what I can tell, it's also pretty useful for the one-handed operation or when quick dialing is what you are after. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can use the T9 dialing in the phone app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.